Very good morning students. Sai Ram. Welcome back to our maths period. Children, this session I am going to continue this chapter, that is chapter number 16, quadrilateral. Okay. So children, see here, now practice set is going on, that is practice set 38. So first question, see, draw quadrilateral x, y, z, w and answer the following. Okay. See here. Already I had started this one. Yes, this one already we solved. The pair of opposite angles. Okay. Remaining thing we will find. Okay, children. Second one is what? The pair of opposite sides, adjacent sides, the pair of adjacent angles, the diagonals of the quadrilateral. Next one is the name of the quadrilateral in different ways. So we will see one by one. Okay, children. So first of all, you have to draw the triangle. Yes, see here. Draw this quadrilateral. Okay, the name of the quadrilateral, what I told, yes, W, X, Y, Z. Okay, second question is what? Pair of opposite sides. Pair of opposite sides. See here children, I have written here side X, Y. This is what? One side. The opposite side of this side is what? Side, yes, W, Z. Okay, and another one is, yes, side X, W. Side X, W, the pair of, see here, that opposite side of X, W is what? Side Y, Z. Okay, children. So, see here, next one is adjacent side. Adjacent side we have to write, that means near side. Okay. So, side XY, see here, yes, side XY, this one. So what is the adjacent side here? Yes, side XW. And you can write this side also. Okay, but I have written here side XW. Okay, children. Next one is what? Second one is side WX. Yes, side WX and side WZ. This side. Okay, these two are what? Yes, adjacent sides. Next one is what? Side ZW. See here, side ZW and side ZY. So already I told adjacent side has here common. Yes, see here children, common vertex, isn't it? Next one is, fourth one is what? Yes, side YZ. Side YZ and side YX. These two are adjacent side. Okay, so I hope you understood this one. So this one is so easy, isn't it children? Next one is, yes, see here, fourth one is, yes, angle we have to write. Yes children, fourth one, which one we have to write? Yes, we have to find adjacent angles. Okay, so first one is what? The pair of adjacent angles we have to write X, Y, Z. Okay, this angle. Understood children? X, Y, Z means here we mentioned here which angle here? Angle Y. Okay, in this one. So what is the adjacent angle of this Y? Yes, Z. So this Z how we have to write? Yes, Y, Z, W. Angle Y, Z, W. Okay, so this is one pair. Understood now? Next one is what? Angle YZW. Again here I have taken angle YZW. Yes, that means here we are mentioning this angle. Okay, and next one is what? Yes, and that adjacent angle of this, adjacent of this angle is what? This one or this one. Here I have mentioned here ZWX, this angle. Okay, ZWX means here which angle we are mentioning here? W. Understood children? Next one is, see here, angle ZWX. ZWX. Yes. Next angle is what? WXY. Okay, this one. See here children, this is the adjacent angles. Okay, and fourth one I have written WXY. WXY. Yes, and here XYZ. This angle. So here this angle and this angle, two are adjacent angles. Okay, so I hope you understood this one. Yes, shall I go to next one now? Next one we have to write what? Yes, diagonals of this quadrilateral. Okay, so see here, this one is what? Z segment XZ. So that opposite vertex, isn't it? The line segment is that opposite vertex. Here XZ and segment WY. These two are what? Diagonals of this quadrilateral. Okay children, so I will give one more here, that quadrilateral. Can you find that diagonals of the quadrilateral? See, yes, here name I'll write here now. Yes, P Q R S. Okay, can anyone say what is the diagonal of this quadrilateral? Yes, this is one vertex. The opposite vertex is what? This one. So segment PR and this one segment SQ. Okay, these two are what? Diagonals of this quadrilateral. Okay, so children, I hope you understood now. Next one is, see here. Yes, next one we have to write the name of the quadrilateral in different way. Okay, that means it should be clockwise or anti-clockwise. Okay children, see, first one I have written here quadrilateral. This is the sign of quadrilateral. Okay, triangle, how we have to write? Triangle ABC, like that. Here quadrilateral, what is the symbol of this? This one. Okay, so how we have to read this one? Quadrilateral YZWX, that means YZWX. Okay, next one is, second one what I have written? Yes, ZWXY. Understood children? Next one is what? Yes, next third one is what? Third one is, we have to start from X. Yes, I will start from here. X, Y, Z, W. And fourth one is, yes, X, W, Z, Y. Okay, so children, here I have written clockwise and anti-clockwise. See here, fifth one is, yes, fifth one I have written here. I will start from W. W, Z, Y, X. Okay, and next one is what? W, X, Y, Z. That means W, X, Y, Z. Understood children? So these are the different way we have to write the quadrilateral. Understood now? Shall we go to next one? So this is the second question of that exercise. See here in the table below, one tabular column is there in your textbook. So write the number of sides the polygon has. See here children. Yes, this is the tabular column. Okay. So here name of the polygon here given: quadrilateral, octagon and pentagon. Okay. The number of side we have to write. So quadrilateral, can you say how many number of side? Very good. Quadrilateral means what here? 4 sides. Okay, only number of sides, only number you have to write. So make like this tabular column in your notebook and you have to write the number only. Okay children. So octagon, here octagon, can you say how many sides? Yes, 8 sides. Okay. Pentagon, penta means what? 5. Pentagon is what? Penta means 5. So pentagon means what? How many sides? 5 sides. Next one is, yes, heptagon. Hepta means what? 7. So how many sides? This number of sides? 7. Hexagon. Hexa means 6. So 6 sides. Okay, number of sides is what in hexagon? 6. Understood children? Shall we go to next one now? Third question is, look for examples of polygons in your surroundings. Draw them. Okay. So in your just 3, any 3, yes, how to draw. Okay, that polygons. Say here, look for examples of polygons in, yes, in your surroundings. Draw them. Here I have given, yes, first one is what? Football. Okay, the pattern of, see here children, the pattern of the football is what? Pentagonal in shape. See here, 1, 2, 3. See here, how many sides are there? Yes, See here children, that pattern of the football is here pentagonal in shape. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, this is what pentagonal in shape. And next one is, say here, yes, here the tablet box. Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That is what heptagonal in shape. Okay, and this one is what? Yes, number of, yes, here what? The tiles. Okay, each tile has how many sides? 4 sides. Okay children, so like this, which one you are seeing in your surrounding, you have to draw in your notebook. Okay, minimum 3 you have to draw. Shall we go to next one now? Next one that you have to do by yourself. Okay, we see polygons when we join the tips of the petals of various flowers. So collect 3 flowers from your surrounding and you have to draw that polygons in shape. Okay, for example, that hibiscus. How many petals are there in hibiscus? 5. So how you have to draw this one? Yes, that is the pentagonal in shape. Okay, so children, like this 3 flowers you have to collect and you have to draw that polygon. Okay, that you have to do by yourself. Understood children? Shall we go to next one now? Children, see here, 5th question is, draw any polygon and divide it into triangular parts as shown here. Okay, in your textbook one figure is there. Okay children, that I will show you now. Thus work out the sum of the measures of the angles of the polygon. See here, this one is this figure, it is given in your textbook. Okay, this is what? Can you say the name of this polygon? Yes, very good. How many sides are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So can anyone say what is the name of this polygon? Yes, that is hexagon. That is what? Hexagon. Okay, and here we have to, what we have to find here? Yes, the work out the sum of the measures of a triangle. See here, the sum of the measures of the all angles of that polygon we have to find. So for that, see here children, this is the given figure. Okay, and you have to divide like this. How many triangle we can make? Like that we have to divide. So children, see here, this figure I have given. Yes, how many triangles we will get? 1, this is 1, 2, 3 and 4. So total how many triangles we are getting if we will divide this one in a triangular part? How many triangle we will get? Yes, 4. Okay, now we have to find what? The sum of the, yes, that measurement, angles measurement we have to find. Okay, so see here children, you know the 3 angles of a triangle. The sum of the 3 angles of a triangle is dash. Yes, 180 degree. 100 and what? 80 degree. See here children, how many sides are there? How many triangles are there? 4 triangles are there. Okay, and see here, yes, this is one triangle. So the sum of the 3 angles of a triangle is what? 180 degree. So here how many triangles are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So that 4 triangle, 180 into 4. So that is your answer. Okay children, see here I will tell you. Yes, that hexagon ABCDEF can be divided in 4 triangles. Okay, can be divided in 4 triangles. The name of the triangle here I have written here. That I have written from this figure. Okay children, and next one is, see here. Yes, the sum of the measures of the angles of triangle is what? 180 degree. So one triangle, see here children, one triangle, yes, measurement is what? 180 degree. So here we will have 4 triangle. Okay, so 180 into 4, how many will come? That is your answer. Okay, how much of? See here, next one, the sum of measures of the angles of the polygon, that is ABCDEF, is equal to sum of the measures of all the 4 triangles. Okay, so one triangle is 180 degree. Yes, the 4 angle means 180 plus 180 plus 180 plus 180. Otherwise you have to write, yes, 180 degree into 4. Okay children, so what is your answer? 720 degree. Okay, so this is your answer. That is the sum of the measures of the angles of the given polygon hexagon. That means the hexagon is what? 720 degree. Okay children, see here. So this is your final answer. The sum of the measures of the angles of the given polygon, that is hexagon, is what? 720 degree. Okay children, see here this pentagon. Pentagon here I will draw. Yes, this pentagon. Okay, here how many triangle we can make? We have, yes, you have to see, and what is the measurement of the triangle. See here, one, this is first triangle, this is second triangle, first triangle, second triangle, third triangle. So total how many triangle we will get from this pentagon? 3 triangle. Okay, so one triangle has 180 degree measurement. So 3 triangle, how much of will come? 180 into 3. Okay children, so what is your answer? Yes, 540 degree. Understood children? And see here, next one is quadrilateral. Next one is what? Quadrilateral. Quadrilateral also one of the polygon. Okay, so see here, what is the, yes, measurement of the angle here? Yes, we have to divide this one into a triangle. Okay, so if we are dividing here, yes, 1, 2. So first triangle has 180 degree and second triangle has what? 180 degree. Total 360 degree. Okay children, so children, can you find, if I give some polygon, can you find the measurement of the that angle? Yes, I hope you can do. Okay, just you have to divide that one into a triangle. How many triangle you have to count, and you have to find the answer. Understood children? Yes, can you do? Very good. So children, these all things you have to write. This all 6 questions, that means 5 questions you have to write your textbook and you have to solve. Okay children, so I hope you understood this lesson. This lesson, what we discussed about the quadrilateral, property of quadrilateral, how we have to find adjacent sides, opposite sides, adjacent angles and opposite angles. Okay, next one is what is the diagonals of the quadrilateral, and the next one is polygon. Okay, number of sides and what are the different types of polygon. Okay children, so I hope you understood this chapter. Yes, thank you children. Sai Ram.